Hi everyone, my name is Costa, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create negative gap in Framer. So I got this 4 avatars right here, and now I will select them and create a stack. Let's put the width to fit, and now select the first avatar and add a stack to it, and change the width from filled to fixed. Add maybe 15 pixels. And now do the same with other avatars as well. Change from filled to fixed, 15 pixels. So now let's call this avatar wrapper. And select all of the stacks that we created for each avatar, go to overflow and change from hidden to visible. Do the same for the avatar wrapper, change the overflow from hidden to visible. And voila, that's how you create negative gap in Framer. Now if you change the gap, for example, you can adjust the negative gap, and if you want even more, you can change the fixed from 15 pixels to maybe 10, and again you can adjust the negative gap. So that's it guys, thank you so much for watching, see you next time.